Ow!
No, stop.
Welcome, people. Man, can't bother every day, man. I get up and I do a bag of video. Welcome, people. Welcome to my channel. This is my first YouTube channel. Welcome, people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first YouTube video, and to be honest, it's been a while since I have. What am I talking about? Anyways, today we are do. Today me I do a video with a very special guest. That girl that come from China, but she not Corona. She come from far in the Atlantic Sea. My sister, Shensia. Shensia.
Better introduce me for about a year.
Alright. I'm a sister, but she's not Shensia. But wish she was Shensia.
You know it was Letty. Yes.
Letty was sweet like Betty.
You know.
We're ever ready.
Know.
What was that? Shall we carry on? Yes, we shall. So you want to tell them what we're doing today?
But today we will be doing a Who's Most Likely to challenge. So stay tuned for it shall be a blast.
Let's get straight into the video. No hesitation.
No hesitation.
First question. Tanya, go on.
Who's most likely to change plans at the last minute?
You. Definitely.
Definitely you.
Definitely.
It's like you remember when you go to KFC and all kind of place. I say, where you want again? Where you want again?
Me no remember that. Me no know where I talk about. Next question. I cannot recall.
I can't recall.
I can recall.
Next question.
Who's most likely to eat the most food?
That are definitely me. That are
Love
definitely me. That are definitely me. No doubts about it.
Mm-hmm. Who's most likely to fall asleep the fastest?
Yeah. Me have a problem with sleeping on a whole. You see, if the sun not up, it's when the sun come up in the morning, a bedtime for me. You see me I say? I lay in my room. Me not sleep at night time. Up all night.
Sleep is a girl's best friend. Besides food. You know?
But you still me love you more.
No,
that
but
come like the two of
question they
you
gone already, my friend.
Alright, cool.
Next question. You have any questions for me by now?
Who most likely to run away? Just make something go on. We definitely have a runner.
Okay. Who's most likely to change clothes often? No, what you mean?
You?
I change clothes in my room.
You?
I'm confused. I'm confused right now, G.
Well, on there. What?
Don't worry yourself.
No, fam. None away.
Me will change clothes. No, because me love shopping.
No. You see, what?
No, me love shopping, so me will change clothes.
First of all, a quarantine time now. Usually be 3 times a day. Now we are be half time a day. You see me I say, because we don't do much activity during the day. I want suit of clothes last for the whole month. Week for the whole day. Next question.
Okay. Who's most likely to spend the most money?
Me not like spend money. Me not lie to you. It's because me not like spend money. It's when it do come to time to spend money. Me spend money in a large quantity.
Yeah, that's the most money.
You see? No, you not get what me I say.
No, man.
Alright, so
Drop
for the whole month,
for the most money.
Listen, for the
No,
whole.
probably good. Alright, you gotta go to the beach. Next
No,
question.
not to go through Instagram page and you will know who spend the most money. You can follow me at Thinking Creatively. See they come up on the screen. You can follow she at
Letty 876.
yeah. Just click the link down now, bye.
Now, who's most likely to throw a tantrum during a game?
That's definitely.
Him too.
She can't take
Him
losing.
too.
She
Him too.
can't take
Because him love
losing.
cheats. Him love cheats and me just
First of all,
yes. Him love to cheat.
I don't cheat.
Him love to cheat.
I'm just born very
Okay.
intelligent.
Let me sip my tea. Next question.
Nobody no go off a hot tea.
No worries. I Now, who's most likely to order pizza instead of cooking?
brother, if you ever try cook, you would understand. Trust me, you would understand.
Any questions for me?
Cooking? On fire pan cooking, dog. Alright, who's most likely to burn the house down? Yeah, we have a next and you can put up. You dirty ass feet, nigga.
For Cleana, you want to excuse? Next question.
It's a girl that she can't cook. You see how she just start about say.
Brother,
You see how she just start about say.
cook is just
who
that
most
some
likely-
things get burned.
Hold on. It's like how she just say, me most likely for order pizza than for cook. This is the reason why. See me I say?
No.
But she can burn down the place literally.
No. I can't cook. You just don't want my food.
She burn up everything. You see
But
me I
don't
say?
burn up everything.
One time she a cook, I'm gonna see flame in the sky.
Cooking with oil can lead to grease fires, which are particularly dangerous.
Me I wonder if she a one big Italian chef, you know, musgoza. I don't know who that.
But you're not even gonna hear the store. So
Me and gas no mix. Me not like gas none
Okay.
time. From Vibes Cartel sing the song Head a bus like gas pan. Me not the road no gas, no farmer gas station. me
No,
not
but look
no
at it
gas.
this way. He's the older
When
one.
gas
and
truck
he
a
let
pass-
him go near the store. And me know, young and upcoming,
First of all,
willing to
the
learn.
only type of people who go around stove a chef. I am not a chef.
So mommy a chef.
Next question.
Okay. I rest my case.
Your case is rested.
Who is most likely to learn a foreign language?
Tanya, yeah. Me want to learn French and Spanish and Russian.
Yes, still the French dictionary is right over there.
It's hard. We literally need somebody to tell me to say basic words. So if I read through the dictionary, it's hard.
Who is most likely to dance at a party?
Me nah that man a bad
The man
man.
will just stand up and watch.
On the list of extremists.
Prove with the money ready for the showdown. Yeah. Every girl say the kid hot sunburn. Yeah. Man a gangster, me can't dance like you. Diamond, them a dance for me neck like whoa.
Man a gangster, me can't dance like you. You're mad dog, you're sick. Man a dance, man a dance dog.
Chris Brown, one dance.
Tell the man don't dance. Oh, Big Shaq song go? Babes, man don't dance. What song go? It's the same one we say.
Man's not hot.
Yeah, man's not hot.
Open us to
I
my
sing
same
man don't dance. Alright, next.
Who's most likely to start their own business?
My business already start.
I want to start my own business.
You want start.
Yeah, I want to start, but money forget my things
Listen,
them up
hold on,
first.
stop. You want start, but you don't make no effort to start. So who's most likely to start a business first? The person who start, make effort tonight, obviously.
No, but we're not ready yet. That's the thing. I'm not ready.
If you're not ready now, you're not ready.
No.
A quarantine
I say
time now.
word.
Listen,
No.
a quarantine time now, a time to put things into motion.
No. I'm going to say word. Next question.
Next question.
Who's most likely to ready to... No, let me rephrase.
Rrr.
Who is ready to sleep at any time
What kind of stupid
who's
question
most likely
that?
to be ready to sleep at any time? Just say yeah. Time to go
Nobody.
sleep. Me. Because
ready?
Me just drop asleep so.
Me can't drop asleep. Me find it hard
Me
to
just
sleep.
sleep all the whole day now. Me say I love sleep now, my friend.
Me literally, me used to love sleep. Me like something wrong with me. Me allergic to dreams or something. Anytime I lie down, I end up staring at the ceiling for 4 or 5 hours. What? What did you just do? I end up staring at the ceiling. Next question.
Who's most likely to eat food late at night?
That would be 2 hours. That would be 2 hours.
2 hours.
That would have been the 2 hours.
Who's most likely to become a professional gambler?
I like how I load up my thing, you know. How would this come enter over there right now?